So hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Sai Charan Malayala. Just now we got the information regarding JEE Mains 2021 for the February session. The schedule is out. So in this video, I am going to explain you the schedule in a brief way. So due to my time constraints, I was not able to explain you in a detailed way. So detailed video will be coming out soon. So in this video, let us talk about when the registration starts and how much is the fees and what are the steps you need to take care for registration and where you need to register. So all these things I will explain you shortly in this video. So let's get started. So if you can see here, this is the index of a particular present in this PDF. If possible, I will leave a link of this PDF in the description. Please go and download it and go through it once before you going to apply for JEE Mains 2021 February session. So these are all the things mentioned in this PDF. So all these things. So let me get into the point. Important information at a glance. So brief information is given here. So let us check. So if you see here, events and dates are mentioned here. Online submission of application form. So it will be started from today. So today is 15th December, right? Till 15th January. So you got 1 month for your registration. So if you want to do your registration without any errors, so please wait until I upload a video on how to register for a JEE Mains. So that you will get an idea. So and also you will not make any mistakes till so that it will be helpful to you and you won't be in any trouble. So then last date of for successful transaction of prescribed application fee. So you can register from 15 to 15 means 15 December to 15 January. So you can pay till the amount means the registration amount which is mentioned below can be paid till 16th January. So how much is the registration fee? So we will check that. So fee payable for JEE Mains 2021 February session. So paper 1 BE BTech or paper 2A BArc, paper 2B B planning. So these three papers. So you for general AWS OBC and CL male candidate for Indian student you need to pay 650. Outside India fee is 3000. So for female 325 and outside India is 1500. So SC ST PWD and transgender. So Indians male female in this category means SC ST. So for male female 325 transgenders 325 and outside India 1500 for male female from SC ST PWD and for transgenders 1500. So this is paper 1 BE BTech and both compare collectively paper 2 A BR BE BTech or B planning BE BTech BR paper 2 B planning. So three papers paper 2A BR and B planning. So all these cases so they need to pay general AWS male and female they need to pay 1300 and female 650. So outside India means those who want to join through DASA and all that things. So you need to pay 1500 sorry 6000 for male and 3000 for female. SC ST PWD male 650 outside India 3000 female 650 and outside India is so transgender in India you need to pay 650 and outside India you need to pay 3000 for the registration. So this is the registration fee for JEE Mains 2021 February session. Correction in particulars. So if there is a mistake during your registration you can once again change them during 18th January to 21st January for February session. So downloading of admit cards will be from first week of February 2021. So you can download your admit card. Admit card is nothing but the hall ticket. So where the exam will be and in what shift you need to give your exam. That will be mentioned in that admit card and the date of examination is from 22 to 25. So you got 22, 23, 24, 25. So you got a 4 days of exam with 2 shifts a day. First shift, second shift a day and first shift will be 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. and second shift will be 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. So the timings mentioned here for examination timings. So you need to report to the testing center 1 hour or 2 hours before so that you won't be in a trouble on the date of examination. So all that things we'll talk about that later. So let me just give a quick glance of how to register, what is the fees and all that things. So display of question papers attempted by the candidate and answer keys for inviting challenges on NTA website. So after your exam, so the dates will be displayed on NTA. So you will be able to see what is correct option and what option you choose. So if you find the correct answer given by them is wrong, you can challenge them. So you need to pay for that. That process will be said later in my channel. So please stay tuned to this channel. Then declaration of results on NTA website. So this is also date shall be displayed on NTA website in due course. Means soon you will get regarding the results of the JEE Mains. So go through all these points. So candidate must read carefully the instructions, including how to fill up an application form online. So given in information bulletin available on NTA website. Candidates not complying with the instructions shall be summarily described. Means if you are not following the instructions carefully, you will be disqualified. Candidates can apply JMS 22 through online mode only. The application form is any form in any other mode will not be accepted. The application is only in online mode. Submission of application form could be made by candidate online through NTA website. So this link I will give in the description. So this PDF link and where you need to apply, I will give the link there. So click that and check there. So don't apply till a detailed video will be coming on my channel so that you won't make any mistake. So that is a sincere request from me. So if you know that there is one student has lost his seat from IIT Bombay due to he pressed another key without unknowingly. So but anyhow he got his seat back after a case successfully completed in Supreme Court. So I don't want any one of you face that problems. So please wait till a detailed video coming on my channel. So instructions for filling for application form, download information bulletin. Means this is the information bulletin. So replica of application form, read this carefully to ensure eligibility. Follow the steps. So step 1, apply for online registration using a email ID and mobile number. But that should be valid email ID and mobile number. So fill in the application form and note down the system generated application. So after filling the application, you will be given one application number. So note down that in a piece of paper. Then upload so step 3 will be upload scanned images of the recent photographs. So if you want, I will be registering for one candidate, so that will be shown online. So please wait till that video comes. So just go through these steps at a glance. So don't register till I post a video on my channel. So then step 4 will be, so what are all the things you need to upload is given here. So step 4 will be paying fees through SBI, Canara Bank, HDFC, ICICI Gateway through debit card, credit card and net banking, UPI, and keep proof of fee paid. All this is a step 4. Now that, so after completing step 4, your application process is done. So download and save, print a copy of confirmation page of application form, which could be downloadable only after successful remittance of fee. Means after paying only you will be given that. All the 4 steps can be done together at separate time. Candidates shall ensure that information entered by them in their respective online registration form is correct. So enter the correct details of yours in the application form. So information provided by the candidate in their respective online application forms like name of the candidate, contact or the address details, category, PWD status, educational qualification, date of birth, choice of exam cities, so will be treated as final. So please make sure you don't make any mistake while filling the application form. Any request for change in such particulars after the closure of correction period will not be considered by NTA under any circumstance. So still 15th is your registration form filling, right? So if you find any mistake has been entered through you unknowingly, so you can change that, means you can correct that mistake. So you can correct them from 18 to 21st for the February session. If you want to change something, you need to change from 18th to 21st only. After that, you will not be able to change that. Candidate must ensure that email address and mobile number to be registered in the online application are their own, as relevant or important information communication will be sent by NTA through email on registered email address and or through SMS on registered mobile only. So NTA shall not be responsible for any non-communication or miscommunication with a candidate in the email address or mobile number is given him or her other than his or her own. So you, no problem, it doesn't matter. So they given an important point that it should be of your own means you can give your fathers or mothers or guardians, but that should be valid, and make sure that email address and mobile number are active. So candidates are advised to visit the NTA website and check their emails regularly for latest updates. So you need to visit the NTA website. So candidates shall appear at their own cost at the examination center on date, shift and time indicated on the admit cards issued by NTA in due course through the website. So brief advisory regarding COVID-19 pandemic. Candidates are advised to carry only following with them into the examination venue. So what are all the things you need to carry for examination? All these things we will discuss later. So if you want, just I will show admit card along with self-declaration. I will say about that in future. So a simple translate ballpoint pen. So previously, before this pandemic, they used to give the pen for the exam, but due to this pandemic, what they decided is, so we shall only carry our own pen. So additional photograph to be pasted on the attendance sheet. So one photograph, personal hand sanitizer 50 ml bottle, and personal transparent water bottle. So sugar tablets or fruits like banana, apple, orange in case the candidate is diabetic. So these also you can take to the examination center. Note: Candidates shall ensure that information like his name or status mobile number file is provided by them in their online application are correct and of their own. Candidates are advised to exercise utmost careful for filling up correct details in the application form. So you can see these block letters, right? So for that, no, so please wait till a video uploads in my channel. So I will explain you point by point. So once my exams are completed, I will make a detailed video regarding registration process and payment process. So any request for change in the particulars after the closure of the correction period will not be considered by NTA. So under any circumstances, correction sent by candidate through post or fax or WhatsApp or email will not be entertained by NTA. So then in case it is found at any time in future the candidate has used or uploaded the photograph or signature certificate someone else in his or her application form admit card, so these acts of the candidate shall be treated as unfair. So you should upload your own. So candidates are not allowed to carry instruments like geometry or pencil box, handbag, purse, any kind of. So you need not carry all these instruments which are mentioned here. So only pen. So you can see here, right? So pen, admit card, self declaration, photograph, sanitizer, water bottle, and tablets or foods if needed by the candidate who is diabetic. So these are only things you need to carry to the examination center. So you should not carry all these things to the examination hall. If they found that you carried all these things, so you will be debarred, means disqualified from that exam. You will not be able to give in other sessions also, like in March or May, April or May. So make sure you don't carry all these things to the examination center. So I hope you got the detailed like information regarding the JEE Mains 2021 February session. So hope you all like this video, and if you find this as an informative video, for more such informative videos regarding JEE Mains 2021 and updates regarding all the education things, so will be posted on my channel. So stay tuned to my channel. For that, you need to subscribe and hit the bell icon for regular updates and regular notifications. So thank you one and all for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe, and please make sure you send these video link to your classmates in plus 2 or in plus 1 or in the dropout class, so that they will also get each and every update from my channel, and it will also be helpful to me. And thank you one and all.